this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Brushed Blooms bundle. So this is the Brushed Blooms bundle. It has these lovely roses and these fun brush strokes, and it's got this fun die with a bunch of brush strokes that I'm going to be using in a different video tutorial for a different card, so check that video tutorial out. But it's also got these lovely dies that you can layer on top of each other to create these flowers. I'm going to show you that in this video, and leaves as well. So for this flower, I used these dies to cut the flowers out. So I'm going to show you which dies go with which flower, because it can be a little bit confusing. So you have 6 dies. So this die goes with this large flower, and I did that in Purple Posy. Then I did this die in Highland Heather, and then this die in Gorgeous Grape. And then the smaller flower lines up like this, same colors. And so you can see that this is a wider die, wider flower. So the wider ones go together, and then the smaller, rounder dies go together, and those line up. Now, when putting the flower together, you can use liquid glue, that works, or you can cut these out with an adhesive sheet on them. So when you're putting your dies on your magnet sheet, or however you store them, you can put the 3 together so that you know those 3 go together, and then these 3 go together, so that you can keep them straight. So I've already gone ahead and assembled my flowers for this card, as well as my leaves. So the leaves I did in Pear Pizzazz and Garden Green, and I've cut out with the stitched rectangle dies this window with the True Love Designer Series paper that's in the mini catalog. It's retiring. It's gorgeous black and white paper, so if you want it, you need to get it before it's gone. It will no longer be available after the end of June. So I'm just going to put some dimensionals on the back of this. I used the largest stitched rectangle die and the 3rd largest stitched rectangle die to give it a wide frame. So I just love this paper, so pretty, and I love the stripes and the dots. It's just really basic and perfect to use on any card. So I'm just going to place this in the middle here, hopefully, mostly, and then I'm going to place, looks like those are, that's on dimensionals. So the flowers are on dimensionals, and I will place those in the center. This one looks like it's over here, so I'll place that over here. So we'll put the large flower right here, and the smaller flower I'm going to tuck underneath the larger flower and place that right here. And then I'll use the mini dimensionals for the leaves, and I'll just stick a mini dimensional on this one leaf right here. That should be enough. and stick it right there. And then if this one's going to come up here like this, then I'll put a mini dimensional on this leaf right here. And just let that, and then this one's going to come up like this, so I'll put a dimensional on this one right here. Just make it easy on myself. Stick that in there. There, and that's our pretty little gathering of flowers. So pretty. I love the purples together. And then we'll stamp the happy birthday sentiment in Gorgeous Grape. So got to get this straight. That's pretty good. And there we have our beautiful happy birthday card with the Brushed Blooms stamp set and bundle. I'm offering a card kit for free when you purchase this bundle, and it consists of 6 supplies for 6 cards, these 3 designs, and this card is a diamond easel card. Isn't that fun? So fun. And so when you purchase the bundle, you'll receive this card kit for free. Just contact me at Elaine at elainescreations.com and let me know that you would like the Brushed Blooms card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my other Brushed Bloom video tutorials. I'll catch you next time. Bye.